Sources are telling your channel that Mulayam Singh Yadav has said in a party meet in Lucknow that the polls may take place as early as September this year. For more details, we have Pranshu joining us. Yes, Pranshu.
Well, see, that's right. See, in fact, it was this informal gathering of party workers at the party state headquarters in Lucknow, where Mulayam Singh clearly informed the party workers that the party's leadership is apprehensive that the early elections can take place. In fact, he went on to say that the elections can take place as soon as August, September. In fact, he was hinting out that once after the budget session and then after the monsoons are over, the elections can take place. And remember, it's a very significant statement. Party leaders have also in the past have hinted out that though they are continuing with the outside support to the UPA government, but they do feel that the possibility of an elections, early elections, in fact, in the last month of 2013, that is a possibility, and that's the reason why the party till this point in time has already declared more than 50 candidates out of 80 Lok Sabha seats in Uttar Pradesh. So that clearly indicates that though the party is continuing with its outside support, but the party's top leadership is always keeping those calculations in mind that early elections can take place, and that is what Mulayam Singh very categorically told his party workers and leaders today in Lucknow, that they should be ready, they should not get relaxed and lax, and in fact elections can take place as soon as August, September this year.
All right, Pranshu. Also, this is coming a day after its own party leaders had again clamored that Mulayam Singh could be the next prime ministerial candidate also from the Samajwadi Party.
Oh, well, yes, that's right. See, in fact, it's very clear that the moment when, in fact, last year when Mulayam Singh didn't become the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, at that point in time, it was very clear that though Mulayam Singh has handed over the reins in UP to his son, he is clearly having the prime ministerial ambitions, and that's why we've also seen that Mulayam Singh has often in the past has tried to cobble up third front or some sort of an alternative to the NDA and the UPA. So clearly, Mulayam Singh has prime ministerial ambitions, and that's the reason why he is very keenly, very minutely watching the developments on the national level, and that's the reason when a leader like Mulayam Singh says that elections can take place in August and September this year, and party workers should be in all preparedness, and party already having declared more than 50 candidates. So that clearly is a significant statement as to how the parties, how the national politics may shift more further after the coming budget session of Parliament.
Thanks, Pranshu, for getting us all those details. Polls are likely in September. That's what sources are telling your channel within the Samajwadi Party.